how to enable language translation option on Facebook post. So for that, first of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top right with three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu piece. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on settings and privacy. Again, tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down a bit and under preferences, tap on language and region. So under this page, you will have this option on second. It says language you would like to have post translated into. So tap on the second option right here. And in this page, now you can choose the language that you want your Facebook post to get translated into. Scroll down and choose your preferred language. In my case, it is in English. If you want to change it, choose different language, then tap on Save button. And with that, your Facebook post will be translated to this chosen language. And that's how you can enable language translation option on Facebook post. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.